Included in the box, you'll find the charger, a multi-tool, and your user manual. Let's get started with setting up your scooter. Begin by unfolding the steering column by depressing the folding lever. It's very important that you ensure that the locking pin is fully inserted into the groove and the folding lever is flush to the frame. You should hear a soft click. To fold the scooter, simply push the handlebar and steering column forward and pull the folding lever at the same time. To set up your handlebars, first unfold both ends of the handlebars and extend the steering post. Once you've reached your desired riding height, tighten the clamp by adjusting the twisting knob and ensure that the steering post is secure before riding. Next, tighten the silver locking tubes on each side of the handlebar. These are spring-loaded and tightened by turning in opposite directions. Moving along the handlebars, you'll notice that there may be several loose components that need tightening. Each have screws underneath to allow for this. Once you get all the parts in the right position, use your included multi-tool to tighten the screws. Use this time to set all your levers and controls to a position that's comfortable for you and suits your riding style. Press and hold down the top power button to turn on the display. Hold down the bottom mode button to turn on the scooter's front and rear lights. Hold it again to turn them off. Pressing mode will cycle through the speed modes from 1 to 3. Each mode offers a different max speed. To access your scooter's settings, hold down both power and mode buttons. To cycle through the different pages, use the mode or power button, and to make any changes, press and hold either button until the value is blinking. It's best not to change any of these values unless you know exactly what you're doing. Hold both power and mode to exit the menu, and hold just the power button to turn off the display. Let's go over charging your scooter. Always plug your charger into the wall first. Notice that there's a notch in the plug and a notch in the socket. These need to be lined up before they'll go together. If the plug doesn't go in easily, rotate it until it does. Don't force it. Your charger light will change from red to green once your scooter is fully done charging. Remember to replace the dust cap in order to keep the dirt and water away from the connectors. To adjust the tightness of your rear drum brakes, simply turn the barrel screw at the end of the cable clockwise to tighten, and anti-clockwise to loosen the brakes. It's important that you try to keep both tires inflated to the recommended pressure. For the Tour 2.0, that's about 50 to 55 psi. It's good to check the pressure at least once a week. Owning a pressure gauge or a pump with one attached makes this a really easy step. Doing this and other regular preventative maintenance, like checking the tightness of screws and nuts on your scooter, will help prevent flats, give you a smoother ride, and keep you on the road for longer.